Buckle-down plastic clip collar. Mickey Mouse poses scattered red, black, white 1 wide. Fits 11 to 17 neck, medium. It all started with a seatbelt. Buckle-down Inc. was founded nearly 30 years ago in a Southern California college dorm room. Started by a college kid scouring an automobile junkyard for parts to keep his ride running, the crazy idea to make fashion belts out of recycled seatbelt buckles was born. From those humble beginnings, Buckle Down has grown into a leader in licensed fashion accessories for people and pets. From that first fun and unique seatbelt buckle belt, Buckle Down has expanded, innovated, and invented a full line of cutting-edge products. Trademark seatbelt buckle belts, patented seatbelt buckle keychains, patented seatbelt buckle dog collars, and patented seatbelt buckle bags, as well as hats, wallets, guitar straps, lanyards, suspenders, throw pillows and more are still manufactured here in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent quality and customer service. Ordered this collar at 9 p.m. and got it delivered next day. Obviously it's going to depend on where you live, but well done. Quality of the collar at first look is great. Buckle is sturdy and band is thick. Love the Mickey Mouse design for our boy Walt. Also happy to buy items that are made in the USA. Very happy with this purchase.